Hello guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you're all having an amazing day. Today, I'm so excited to show you guys our updated bar area and styling a bar cart. As you can see, this area has been neglected for quite some time now, and it's time for us to clean and redecorate this small little space and give it that touch of glam that it needs. I love to start off by clearing everything out so that I have an open and clean canvas area to work with. It helps me plan out where I'd like to place my new decorations. I am also extremely excited to partner with BEIRIO Lighting for this video. I have worked with this company many times now in this channel as I love their beautiful classic chandeliers, particularly this Empire style crystal chandelier. I have their 13 light pendant chandeliers in our formal living room and formal dining room, and I'm so happy that they have sent me their flush mount light chandeliers in the same design for our hallway and bar area that are now matching together. BEIRIO Lighting provides chic and modern classy chandeliers for any of your home lighting needs. They also have other styles to choose from, like their candle design crystal chandelier or their Empire style raindrop crystal chandelier. And if you are not into extremely glam chandeliers, then they have other choices to choose from, like their modern black round pendant chandeliers and so much more. What I love about BEIRIO Lighting is that their prices are affordable without compromising the quality. Thank you BEIRIO Lighting for sponsoring this video. I will leave their info and links on the description box below in case you are also interested in these beautiful chandeliers. Now let's get back to cleaning and decorating this bar area. I hope this video gives you tons of ideas and inspirations in decorating and updating your bar area or bar cart. Thank you so much for being here, and if you want to see how I have turned and updated this bar area with a touch of glam and for the final reveal, please continue watching till the end. Thank you all so much for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope this video gave you inspirations to also decorate and update your bar area or bar cart with a touch of glam. If it did, please give this video a huge thumbs up. I'd sincerely appreciate it. And if you have not subscribed yet, I hope you consider doing so. To all my glam family who has always been with me, from the bottom of my heart, thank you all so much for all your kindness and support. You all mean so much to me. Please stay tuned. I have so much more contents to come. We have been working so hard in our backyard renovations, and I'm so excited to share with you all our first video series very soon. The hubby has also been working so hard on our fireplace wall for our living room, and we are so excited to also share that content with you all. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you all in the next video. God bless you all abundantly, sending you all big air hugs. Bye!